Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a current test we're doing as far as new works go. If you want to check out content like this without the extra ads, please consider going and listening over at anchor.fm/Broketopia, the new financial podcast by HIMedia. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Stock Show. Today I want to highlight another real estate trust that is not based in malls, but it's based more on New York real estate. New York Mortgage Trust. Now, it's a little more expensive than Washington Prime Group that we discussed in the last episode, but I will say this, it is certainly more stable in the further future. So if you wanted to pick up more shares of it, this would be a much safer bet for a more long-term bet. It costs anywhere between the low $2 range to the high $2 range, depending on the day. It right now it doesn't fluctuate too much, but it does have its ups and it does have its downs. It has a 52 as of now, November 5th, 2020. It has a 52-week high of about $6 and a 52-week low of less than $1. So, and as I've watched it over the past year and a half, 2 years, it's fluctuated even during the pandemic and has always maintained anywhere between $1.50 to $2.50 or more in value. It pays a 12% dividend yield which leads to relatively competent dividend returns. So if you picked up 10 of these for about $25 a total, you could walk away with anywhere between $2 or $3 total that you get every quarter. If it's payday and you have an extra $200 that you don't need to spend on bills or luxury, this might be a good investment as well. Picking up 100 will allow you to every quarter allow you to get anywhere between 10. Will allow you to buy 10 more shares and will only in the long term shore up your investment. Of course, if you just want to spend a couple dollars, buying one share is perfectly reasonable too. They'll pay you because you own a full share. You'll get the full share price. So the last dividend they did was in the second quarter, which was after the big wave of coronavirus ended, and we were starting to open up a little bit, and they paid a 28 cents per share, which is not insignificant for a $2 share. I mean, to be completely frank, AT&T, which has a $30 share price, was paying 70 cents per share. So you can see why this might be a more valuable investment. Now, it is more of a bullish pick compared to something like AT&T, but if you're only putting $5-10 in, losing $1 here and there due to fluctuations in the market will be earned back eventually because you're getting your money back from dividends. So, New York Mortgage Trust, with stock code, if you're searching it on Robinhood, please feel free to use if you don't have a Robinhood account to trade, please feel free to use our link in the description of this or bit.ly/HIM stocks. I highly suggest maybe going to go pick it up, and we will see you guys in the next stock show.